Welcome to Technical Building Analyzer channel. Today topic about how to reset ACB, air circuit breaker, trip. Resetting an air circuit breaker, ACB, involves a series of steps to restore it to its operational state after it has tripped due to an overload, short circuit, or fault. Before attempting to reset the ACB, it's crucial to identify and rectify the cause of the tripping. Ensure that the fault or overload condition has been addressed and resolved to prevent immediate retripping. Ensure that the load connected to the circuit protected by the ACB is switched off. This prevents sudden surges or further overloads when the breaker is reset. Press the lever of the ACB to the off position. Ensure it is in the fully off position before proceeding. Need to charge the spring by pressing the ACB handle multiple times. Then it will indicate that the spring is charged by yellow color. Press the lever to the on position. This resets the ACB.